Hey friends, if you wish to install the new Notepad app on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So here's the thing, there's no new Notepad app. It was the same Notepad app which has been updated. So you don't need to install a specific new app. Here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates. Make sure that it's updated to the latest version. This is a very interesting application in which you have a lot more options like bold, italic, adding links, changing it into headers, and attaching it with Copilot. Ideally, Notepad was supposed to be a very boring application with just a notepad, but now it has a lot more options. You can also use tabs in it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.